Hi, I'm Dar with the Healy Technology Report. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a very simple little product, and that's the power adapter for a Polycom phone. Now this is the box that comes in. The part number is 2200-46170-001. Now this is a 48 volt adapter. That's what the Polycom phones work on. So we're just going to pull this out here, and so nice plastic bag. One of the things I immediately see that's different here is on a lot of the other power adapters, the prongs are removable so that it'll work in North America, and a different set of prongs for Europe and other parts of the world. So that's one of the identifiers. It clearly says Polycom on the back, and it says 48 volts, 0.31 amps. Now this is really important. Most other brand phones, and we're talking about Yealink, Snom, and others, have a 5 volt adapter standard. It looks almost identical to this. And now if you have Polycom and other phones in your office, make sure these are clearly marked, because if you take this 48 volt adapter and you plug it into one of the other phones, it will burn out the phone. You'll see smoke. The phone is going to stop working. Generally, it's not replaceable under warranty. So be very careful. 48 volt for the Polycom phone. The alternative to powering a Polycom phone is power over Ethernet. You can see that, find out more about that on our website, www.BuyPhonesOnline.ca. Thanks for watching. I'm Dar with the Healy Technology Report. Bye for now.